The sun rises in Kaboom City.
Our base was so beautiful. Now look at it.
Nothing we can't repair.
But our thing are vehicles, not so much buildings.
If we can't repair vehicles, why not a building?
And while our heroes are feeling blue, in the Clangcore building, someone very mean is very happy. Hi. Good morning, my dear Professor K. Still working on the fruit cannon?
No! Now I'm working in something better. You'll see. The secret weapon will be amazing.
Fantastic. Ah, my dear childhood friend.
When you look so happy, I don't know if I should be glad or concerned.
Be glad, be glad. We won the battle against the heroes and captured the majority of them. And it's not over yet. I still got a surprise for those heroes.
Tell me!
You'll see, dear Paul. Now please follow me. We have a city to scare. Is the camera ready?
Here, steady like an elf. You can begin when you want to.
My dear fellow villains, the heroes have been defeated, and there's nobody left to protect Kaboom City. Finally, my revenge wishes that I had for years are coming true. When I was only a little barrel, wanted to have superpowers and throw blasts. Until I lost my arm because of a hero, and I understood that my mission was to defeat all of them. And today, I can say we're almost there. Without a lot of you, it would have not been possible. Thank you to the Bone Crunchers. Their sneak attacks between the rubble were a nightmare for the heroes.
My rain effects will crack them.
And how about the Breakfasters and the Double Acids? The former attacked with blows of high cholesterol, and the latter have such terrible breath that anyone close to them... Well, nothing you don't know already, right? I'm gonna pass out! I could go on and on. So many villain friends that have made this possible. The crazy drivers, the green slimes. Thank you all. However, this is not a definitive victory. There are still some heroes to defeat. According to my intel, they are trying to repair their base. It's time to launch our final attack and end them once and for all!
Naylord, follow us! I want you to cajole the battle on camera to scare all the citizens.
Sure thing, on my way. Can someone help me?
Someone lend me a hand, please.
We're busy here. Let's flee. Lots of villains are on their way.
We'll fight the dust!
Flee? Me? Never. I'm going to fight like a true SuperZing.
Wait, there are too many.
Way too many!
Charge!
Uh-oh. There are way too many. Let's flee.
I hate running away.
Well, me too, but it's the wisest decision. We'll fight back and win next day.
What day?
Heck if I know what day! Why are you in such a hurry?
Now there's no other way but to fight.
My villains will probably win, but nonetheless, I have one extra job for you, very suited for your talents. Go forth, Danger Gang!
You can count on us, boss.
surprises. Wanna try another one?
Very beautiful, but doesn't look very solid.
This base won't last 5 minutes with us.
Come on, guys, don't hold back. Regular, I see some walls that could use one of your massages.
Always ready to use my head, Captain.
Hammerfall, you're next.
Right away, Captain. I'm going to pulverize the smaller fragments.
We're turning this building to rubble.
It was tough, but we did it. Back to the base. We have work to do.
Night falls in Kaboom City, and while our heroes are feeling blue.
Oh, it's impossible to rebuild now.
So much dust. I'm tempted to start vacuuming.
And I'm about to start moving my feathers.
In the clan core building, someone very mean is still very happy.
Dear Run, another victory. There's no base anymore. Ugh. And there are no heroes either.
This is just beginning, villains.
You